Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through using OpenRouter AI, a brilliant unified gateway that lets you access hundreds of different large language models using just a single API key. To begin your setup, pull up your web browser and navigate directly to the official OpenRouter.ai website to create your master developer profile. Once logged in to your centralized dashboard, look at the primary interface layout, locate the main navigation menu, and click on Keys to generate a brand new secret API key starting with the prefix SK-OR. Copy this unique string securely to your clipboard and remember to save it into your local terminal workspace environment variables rather than embedding it directly inside your public code blocks. Now, to connect OpenRouter with your software applications or third-party coding tools like Cursor or Claude Code, all you need to do is change your default base URL endpoint to point directly to https://openrouter.ai/API/v1. Because OpenRouter is built to be completely OpenAI compatible, your existing Python or TypeScript scripts will continue to work perfectly without requiring a complex architecture rewrite. Finally, browse the extensive model catalog to choose your target slug, swap out your code's specific model string for options like Anthropic/Claude 3.5 Sonnet, or even their completely free tier variants, and execute your script to unlock auto failover high availability across multiple AI inference providers effortlessly.